Hi everyone, this is Timowa, and today I'm going to be showing you how to stake your IQ tokens to earn IIQ rewards. Whether you are new to crypto or already familiar with Delphi, this tutorial will help you to get started in minutes. The IQ token is a native token that powers the IQ ecosystem, which includes the agent tokenization platform, a platform that allows users to create and deploy tokenized AI agents that can operate autonomously, as well as ADKTS, a TypeScript agentic framework for building multi-agent AI systems. There is also IQ Wiki, the world's largest blockchain and cryptocurrency encyclopedia maintained by the IQ community, and AI agents like Aiden and Sophia that handle blockchain knowledge and content creation. Staking your IQ tokens allows you to receive high IQ, a reward and governance token that gives you any potential and a voice in contributing to the system's future. You also help fund the development of many of IQ AI's blockchain and AI projects. And the more high IQ you have, the more voting power you gain. High IQ rewards work similarly to Curve's VCRV model. When you stake IQ, you lock your tokens and choose how long you want to lock them, with a minimum of 1 week and a maximum of 4 years. The longer you commit and the more you stake, the more high IQ you accumulate. For example, locking 100 IQ tokens for 4 years gives you 400 high IQ rewards. And as your lock period approaches expiration, your high IQ balance decreases linearly. You can also choose to extend your lock period at any time if you decide to commit for longer. It is important to know that high IQ isn't a standard token. You can't trade it or transfer it between wallets. Think of it as an account-based point system that represents your commitment to the platform and your influence within the ecosystem. Let's talk about where you can get IQ tokens. You can get IQ tokens on major centralized exchanges like Binance, OKX, Upbit, and Bitom, as well as decentralized exchanges including FragSwap, Curve, and SushiSwap. The easiest way to see all available platforms is to check the swap page on the IQ dashboard where everything is listed. The IQ dashboard is your central hub for managing everything related to IQ. The home view displays key metrics and statistics about the token. The swap page shows all platforms where you can buy or trade IQ tokens. The stake page is where you manage your holdings, lock tokens, and track your rewards. There is also a voting page to monitor ongoing votes and explore governance related information, and additional pages to get detailed stats and treasury information, giving you complete transparency into the ecosystem. To start staking IQ tokens, you need to connect your wallet to the IQ dashboard. IQ allows you to connect to 3 different crypto wallet platforms: MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Coinbase Wallet. But for this demo, I will be using MetaMask, more specifically, the MetaMask browser extension. You can visit metamask.io to create your own or choose other options if you like. The process for each of them is similar. Once you have installed MetaMask, create an account and make sure you are connected to the Ethereum mainnet. This is where IQ tokens live. You can check which network you are on at the top of your MetaMask wallet and switch it if needed. Next, you need to add the IQ token to MetaMask as it will not be displayed automatically. On the Tokens tab, click on the 3 dots at the top right corner and select Import Tokens. You can either search for IQ or paste IQ contract address. Once you have added it, copy the wallet address. You can now go to an exchange like Binance or OKX and set IQ tokens to your MetaMask wallet address. When withdrawing, make sure you select the Ethereum network. Choosing the wrong one could result in lost funds, so double check before confirming. Finally, keep some ETH in your wallet for gas fees, as every transaction on Ethereum requires a small ETH fee. You would need just a few dollars worth, though the fees fluctuate based on network congestion. Once you are set up, the staking process is straightforward. Here is how to do it. Visit the IQ dashboard in your browser. Navigate to the stakes page. Click on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner and select MetaMask. MetaMask will prompt you to authorize the connection. Review the permissions and click Connect. Once connected, scroll down to the Stake IQ section and enter the amount of IQ tokens you want to stake. You can stake your entire balance or just a portion of it. There is typically no minimum required, although very small amounts may not be cost effective due to gas fees. Select the duration period you are willing to lock the token for. After that, you should see how many high IQ you would receive for that duration. Once you are satisfied, click on the lock button, which will trigger MetaMask to display the transaction details, including the estimated gas fee. Review everything carefully, then click Confirm. MetaMask will prompt you with 3 different confirmation pop-ups. First, a spending cap request to authorize the staking contract to access your IQ tokens. Second, the actual staking transaction where your tokens are locked. Third, authorization for the high IQ reward contract so you can earn and track rewards automatically. Approve each one as it appears. Once all 3 are approved, the Ethereum network will confirm your transactions within a few minutes. Your dashboard will then be updated to show you your IIQ balance, confirming your stake was successful. Your rewards start accumulating automatically and display on the dashboard in real time. You can check them anytime to see your earnings grow. When you are ready to unstake, go back to the stakes page and navigate to the current stake section. Choose the amount you want to unstake, confirm the transaction in MetaMask, and pay the gas fee. Your IIQ tokens will return to your wallet once the transaction is confirmed. Staking IQ is more than just any passive income. It's becoming an active participant in a decentralized ecosystem dedicated to AI innovation, blockchain development, and community governance. With IIQ, you gain real voting power in the DAO, which is a meaningful opportunity to influence how the platform evolves. If you are new to staking, start small. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, watch your rewards accumulate, and explore governance proposals when you feel ready. The IQ ecosystem is built by its community, and your stake represents your investment in its future. To get started, visit iq.iqai.com, and for more detailed information about IIQ, tokenomics, staking, and government mechanisms, check out iq.wiki. Thanks for watching and happy staking.